Hey guys, I wanted to come on here and show you what T3 sent me. They sent me the compact hair dryer, and they also sent me the T3 Single Pass X, and we are going to use that today. So this is the dryer, and it does come with one of those Velcro things to keep your cord in place. So we're going to dry my hair real fast. It also included some excellent hair clips, and it also came with this little guy. I don't know his exact name, but And this is what the dryer looks like on the back. It has 3 settings, and then it has on and off. So let's get pissy. I wanted to see how loud it was. So I will dry my hair, and then we will fast forward through that so you don't have to hear it. Compact size with no compromise. Lightweight, agile, performance-packed, featuring a compact design that's 30% smaller and 20% lighter. The T3 Fit is powered by advanced T3 ion technology that infuses negative ions into a wide and gentle airstream to smooth the hair cuticle and speed up the drain. Designed with 3 heat and 2-speed settings to ensure the right heat and speed combination for every type, and a lock-in cool shot to seal your style with lasting finish. Wow, that did not take long at all. So it does have a cool shot right here in the front. So you can take it from cool to hot right here by the click of the button. That is really nice. And they do come in several different colors. I think there is a rose gold, a black, and a white. And then this, like I said, is the T3 Single Pass 1.5 inch professional straightening iron. And we are going to use that. Thank you so much, T3, for sending these to me. It couldn't have come at a better moment. So this is the T3 straightener, and it does have... Holy cow, how cool! So this right here will let you know when it is ready. And while that is warming up, I am going to put my heat protectant on. I did put a little bit of Kenra. This is the Big Swag Hot Toddy. I did use my Kenra, a little bit of that for the hair dryer. I'll just kind of go through here and put that on. Don't want to burn any ends. And we're going to use our little clips. So I usually like to... I think we are ready. We are ready. It sounded off, guys. Gosh, that was so fast. And I don't have any hair in the back. I actually had that cut really short because I'm going into an A-line bob, and I don't like it being thick back there. Wow, that is fast. And they actually have a roller brush that has 2 brush attachments with it, and I kind of wish I would have got that since I have shorter hair. But I have a Lange one, so I didn't know if it would fit my hair either. Wow, I like this. My little straightener that I have back there don't do as good a job as this, but it's very short and small too. Oh, I really like this. That thing gets hot fast. Both of them. Oh yeah, I like. Let me get that back piece. Then I will style it with some gel. Now this one I do like to take and get, oh looky there, give me a curl. Get a little bit of volume going back here in the back. Yes. I have some fine limp hair, buddy. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my Design Line pomade. Let's turn her off. Goodbye. It didn't say goodbye, but it sounded like it. So I just go in here with my fingers, put a little bit on the ends of each of my fingers, and do up my hair in the back where it's short. So I'm going to grab my brush and just kind of, I thought I brought my big comb back here. Give me a little bit of lift back there in the back. Then we're going to take my Living Proof. This is the full dry volume blast. Put a little bit there. Give me a little bit of a lift. Didn't mean to go that direction. A little bit of lift. Back here. Guys, what do we think of these products? I'm like shook. I don't think my hair has looked this straight and this good since I got it cut. This is amazing and so pretty. They also included me with a link, and I will put that in my link tree in my bio if you would like to shop. The sale is going on from yesterday until the 24th, I believe. So go and get you one or two or three, whichever you like. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much, T3, for sending these to me and letting me try them out. I really, 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 really like them. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.